What a difference driving when you come into Colorado, bro. All the land's all ploughed, the paddocks, the seed, whatever it is they plant, cotton or canola, I don't know whatever they plant. When you get at the other side of Colorado, bro, it's all scrub. And then we got open plains here, but all of a sudden you just start seeing goats, and there's heaps of them. Quite a few emus as well, but yeah, quite a lot of seen quite a lot of goats so far. But the amazing difference from one side of the town to the other side of the town. Look at these roads, they're just dead straight. That's it. We're getting there, Midgie. We're slowly getting there, mate, making our way to Lightning Bridge. This here is the intersection, and I'm taking a right here. You go left, go to Walgett, go right up to Lightning Bridge. I dare say we come back this way and we go back to Walgett, but just a beautiful day to be on the road. Absolutely beautiful day. Good drive across from Colorado, bro. Just a really nice bloody drive. So beautiful out here. It's just so different. So different than what I'm used to. Alright, chucking a right, Lightning Ridge. Still about 5k's to go, I think. So it says, but there's a bit of a concrete mixer here. We'll go and have a look at this. Hey, check that out. Big agitator, big agi. We'll drive around and we'll come back and we'll get a photo of that, I think. I was going to camp in a station that's out of town, but it's a fair few k's out of town, so we'll head in and have a look around, maybe find some accommodation in there. So I don't know whether you're supposed to drive in here or not, but this is apparently Bald Hill. Mate, what a place. Midgie, you're not getting out of the car here, mate. I don't know, bloody. If there's mines or whatever's here, mate. Holes. Wow, how's that for a view? How's that for a view? Tell me that's not flat for as far as you can see. I'm just standing on top of this bald hill. Man, look, there's no mountains, there's no hills, there's just flat. Unbelievable. Look all the way, I'm on a bit of a hill here, but look out into the distance. Wow, what an amazing place. What an amazing place, eh? Everyone's rocked up to see the sunset. All the cars are coming in. Look, people are just coming in everywhere. Well, we'll sit here, we'll watch the sun go down. How is that for a horizon? Look at it. It's just the curve of the earth is all you can really see. Just had a swim in the bath, in the hot spring bath. Bloody awesome water. Not to stay for any more than 20 minutes, but I wouldn't mind staying longer. It's only about 7 o'clock, but heaps of people in there. There's the sun's just coming up. Bloody magic place to just jump in. I'll come in and have another swim in the morning before I go. Just had a swim in the pool. I didn't video in the pool because there's lots of people there, but the sun's just coming up. It's only about 7 o'clock. Bloody beautiful place. Bloody magic for a swim in there. How are you, mate? So this is the road out to look at. This is the Green Door tour. And this is where everyone comes in the afternoon to watch the sun go down. Well, I thought I'd come for a run out here and just have a look what it looks like early in the day. But, it's just a magic view. There's no one here now. I come out here last night, there was heaps of people here. Heaps of people. Don't know if you can see there's some traffic way over there. That's heading up towards the Queensland border. But yeah, I thought I'd just come out and have a look. Right, how's that for a view? Sims Hill, 170 metres above sea level. Is that all? That's not a lot considering how far out we are. 170 metres above sea level. Geez, that's not much fall between here and the ocean, I guess. There's a few k's away. Everywhere you look, there's just mines. And they've got a bit of steel mesh over the top of them. They're just everywhere. Don't know how deep they go. We're just pulling into the pool. There's steam coming off it. It's pretty early. It's only bloody 5:30. Oh, it's a big fucking truck here. Where the fuck am I gonna put my car, mate? He's going to want to get out of there, isn't he? I don't know if you can see the steam coming off that, but she's steaming. What's that? A big, look at the size of this truck. Fucking take up all the parking space. We'll go around here, mate, and see what we can see, eh? You see something around here? Oh, we might be able to get in here, mate. Is there a gate in here? There's a gate here, mate. We'll just park here and we'll go in, eh? I'm going to give you some brekkie first, puppy. Not the best place just to be going for a walk, is it? Look, that's one of the bigger holes. That's a pretty big hole they've bored down there. Look, there's one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's just 8. There's another one. There's just miles of these mine shafts everywhere. I don't even know how deep they are, but I got to make sure the mad one sits still while I'm here. Oh, don't worry about sitting still. Anyway, yeah, look, there's just bloody... And all they do is just... Look at that down there. You stay there, pup. And all they... Look at that. And all they do is just put a bit of wire over the top. And that's it. Okay? They're just everywhere, these holes. Awesome place though. Well, that's us for Lightning Ridge. I always wanted to come here, so I came and had a look. It's pretty wild. Bloody holes everywhere. It didn't really look, there's just holes in the ground. So we're heading off to Walgett. Got a farm stay, place to stay there in Walgett on the Barwon River for a couple of days. Hopefully I can catch a fish. Oh well, it's been fun.